and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my awesome Walmart haul. I was pretty excited. I got some new stuff that I haven't shared with you guys, and I'm just excited to share with you guys what I get. Now, most of you guys know every single Monday, usually Monday, maybe there are times where I just don't feel like leaving the house, but most of the time on Mondays, I usually go to Target and Walmart, and I specifically do Walmart or Ibotta hauls. A lot of you guys are really loving these Ibotta hauls because you guys are hitting levels that you've never hit before. And I just love hearing every single one of you guys hitting levels that you've never hit. Now, there's only 4 levels with Ibotta, but they do bonuses all the time. So I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. Sorry, I got lip gloss in my mouth, but I'm pretty excited to share with you guys with what I got. And there's a great bonus that's going on right now that ends in a couple days, so you guys definitely want to take advantage of that bonus, plus the level bonuses, and there's a couple other bonuses. But if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, I definitely recommend it. Ibotta is my favorite app. You guys can click my referral link below. You guys will end up getting $10 when you submit your first receipt. And then after that, then you guys can start cashing out as little as 20 bucks. You guys can roll your gift cards like I do. What I end up doing is if I go to Walmart, I end up redeeming a Walmart gift card, and I kind of just keep rolling them so I'm not spending so much out of pocket. A lot of you guys are saving your Ibotta money that you guys get for Christmas, so you guys can have a free Christmas, so that's a great deal. And then if you guys, already have Ibotta and you want to be on my team, you guys can Facebook request me. I do have the link below. It's a little bit down below, but just Facebook request me. That is the link that you guys can friend request me. I do have some of you guys find me. I have a personal Facebook and I have that Facebook, so just friend request me on that one. Then you guys will automatically be on my team if your app is connected to Facebook. So just letting you guys know on that. And I do have a lot of creeps and weirdos that friend request me, and I'm sorry if I've denied some of you guys, but I get a lot of people who friend request me. Most of the time I check out everybody's I check out probably 95% of everybody's profile, because some of these people, I'm like, okay, I see you guys' comments, you guys have the same names, but some of these people, it's like, you don't look like you coupon at all. And then there are times where I will accept them, and they're like, hey, how's it going? And I'm like, nope, deleted. You guys are weirdos. So just giving you guys a heads up, but let me shut up so I can share with you guys what I got at Walmart. So ended up getting the wet ones. Benjamin wanted the ones with the panda on it. But these were $1.98. Now, we used those 75% off coupons that were on coupons.com a couple weeks ago. I don't think they're available anymore. But you guys use 2 75% off coupons. You guys will just pay $2.46 for these. But then you guys can submit $1 off a 2 rebate off Ibotta, making this just $1.46 or 73 cents a piece. Now, these are great for the car. Number one, I like them because they can just fit right in a cup holder. You don't have to worry about, where the heck did the wipes go? You can just find them in a cup holder. And my van has 16 cup holders. Yep, you heard that right. 16 or 12? It's an 8-seater van. Yeah, I don't remember. I think it's 12 cup holders. So definitely got lots of room for all those cup holders. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now, a lot of you guys wonder where I get my Tic Tac coupons from. When I see Tic Tac coupons come out, I always order them in advance. Now, I have made a video where I get my coupons. Just type in where I get my coupons, DesignerJen, and you guys will see it. I need to post the video below, but when I see Tic Tac coupons come out, I always order a bunch of them because I know there's going to be some sweet, sweet deals with Ibotta. So that's how I get them. I just order a ton of them. So these are $1.14 a piece. Okay, you guys want to use 3 50-cent off coupons. You guys would just pay 64 cents for each of these, but then you guys can submit a 25-cent, a 25-cent, and a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta. That is 3 different rebates. you guys will end up paying just 39 cents a piece. Now, not the greatest deal, but with all the bonuses, I think it's a pretty good deal. And guess what I'm giving away for Christmas this year, or for Halloween. All my neighborhood kids, I always give them a little goodie bag. Before I just gave them like one item, but now I'm giving them little goodie bags, and everybody's getting Tic Tacs. That's how much Tic Tac gum I have. I swear this is the year for Tic Tac gum. Last year was just regular gum, which I haven't seen any deals on regular gum. This time it's Tic Tac gum, which I'm fine with because everybody's getting Tic Tac gum for Halloween. I ended up getting the Talente ice cream. This was $3.98. There's a $1.50 off coupon that you guys could have used from coupons.com. You guys would just pay $2.48 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 98 cents. Now there is a deal on Checkout 51, but I get denied every once in a while, and you guys say you do too, so I'm not even going to bother, but you guys can also submit your receipt on Checkout 51, but I'm not going to submit it. It's not worth it. So we got that going on. I ended up getting the Greek yogurt. Now this is pumpkin pie. I'm so excited for this. I'm afraid to try Greek. I think it's because it's Greek. I like yogurt. I eat it, but I'm afraid to try it. I don't know why. I have to get this like sudden craving to eat yogurt, but this is pumpkin pie, and I am so excited because I'm going to plan on making a lot of pumpkin pies this year. So these were just $1. Now there was coupons for it. I don't have any more. I don't know if you guys have any more, but you guys would just pay $1 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 50 cents. So I think that's a great deal, and it's something easy, and you know, it's good for you. So minus the sugar or whatever else is in it, but hey, go for it, you guys. The next deal I got is this Forto coffee shot. Now the last time I got was a Hershey's. Now this is the vanilla latte. My husband drank this and he absolutely loved it. He's like, oh, I want to get more of those. Like, he drank it. So all it is just like a little coffee. It's like 1 cup of coffee in this little tiny little thing. But this is $1.98. You guys would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys will get $1.98 back, making it absolutely free. They do these every once in a while where they want you to buy some stuff to get it, you know, to try it. So definitely do this. I'm surprised it reset. I did this like a month or so ago, and then it reset again. Maybe it's because it's a different flavor. So, and I found this in the coffee aisle. It's kind of hard to find, but I did find it. The next deal I got is the Stay Free pads. Now, these were $2.86 for these things. You guys want to use that 2 off of 2 coupon that we got from our instance a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $3.72. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate times 2 on Ibotta. Plus there is a $1 rebate that you guys can submit on Checkout 51. You guys would end up getting these for $1.22 or just 61 cents a piece. So if you guys want to do that, go for it. So I had to share with you guys with those deals. I like it in feminine products. Like, even though I'm not going to use probably majority of what I get, I still like stocking up because it's the one thing that a lot of women need and can't sometimes afford. So just giving you guys with that. Now I did get the Bic razors, but the Bic razors weren't scanning. The coupon wasn't scanning, and then they were like, well, these aren't the right ones. And I says, the coupon says any, and then they're like reading it, and the one person's like, well, it's because it's $3 and those razors are $2.97. I says, no, your guys' policy lets you guys do overage. And they're just sitting there, and there's people like in line, and I'm like, just take it off. you guys are going to make a big deal about it. I'll just go somewhere else where it's not like such a hassle just scanning coupons. I swear Walmart used to be so easy to coupon at, but now it's like they have to read everything word for word for word, and it's like, I understand you guys, you know, you don't want to get screwed, but it's like, come on, work on a better system. I ended up getting the Sally Hansen nail thing. Now, I didn't have any any coupons left. I only had a couple, and I don't get these in the inserts that I order. So this was $2.46. Now, if you guys have that dollar off coupon, definitely use it. But I didn't have any coupons, so not a big deal. You guys would just pay $2.46 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 or $2 rebate on Ibotta. So this was just 46 cents, which is still a great deal if you guys are interested in stuff like that. I ended up getting the Creamette pasta. I've been really craving pasta lately, and now with, you know, fall coming up, I'm hoping to make some pasta products. So these were each 98 cents. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you guys would pay $1.96 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta, making these just 96 cents. Now there's a deal where if you guys buy these and you guys buy the other Creamette deal, you guys will get a 50-cent bonus. So when I was there last week, they didn't have it, but now this week they do. So, but I think 96 cents for these is a pretty good deal. You know, that comes out to be 40-something cents. Now, a lot of food drives are going to be going on over the next couple months because with the holidays and everything, and I'm like, noodles are a great thing to donate. Pasta is so easy to make, so simple, and you just need pasta and sauce, and that's all you guys need. So I plan on donating some of those, you know, the pasta. Especially this. Now this was the Creamette. Now this is the thick and hearty, and I was looking everywhere for it when I was there last week, and then they had it. So basically it's just like a thicker noodle. It's supposed to hold more sauce compared to the non-bronze cut pasta, whatever. So these were $1.14. I thought I took a picture of it, but apparently I did not. But these were $1.14. You guys will end up getting $1 back with Ibotta, making these just 14 cents. And I think 14 cents for pasta is a very good deal. And the deal was a limit of 5. So I thought, you know what, if this is going to be something I'm going to be donating, you know, when we have the drive. And then there's a little thing that I did through the Extreme coupon into Extreme donating. I donated a bunch of food. I might even put a bunch of stuff in there. So I ended up getting 5 for 14 cents a piece. I got 5 of them still for under $1. I think that is a great deal. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on the pasta deal. So, and if you guys aren't sure if your store has it, definitely recommend downloading the Walmart app, and you guys can see what your store has in stock and what the price is in the store. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. That's how sometimes I figure out my shopping ahead of time when I shop at Walmart, so I can figure that out. So buying those 2 items, I ended up getting a 50-cent bonus. So if you guys really think about it, I got some of that pasta for absolutely free. Okay, the next deal I got is the Meow mix. I'm really excited when I see cat's food, and I try to get dog food. I just don't see a lot of dog food deals, but cat food, I see the Meow mix every once in a while. So here they got the Meow mix. My cat loves this stuff. She loves these cups. These were 78 cents a piece. If you guys buy 1, you end up getting 50 cents back with Ibotta, which is still a great deal. But while I was walking down the aisle, I saw some Peely coupons for if you guys buy a thing of cat food for that's over 3.3 pounds, 3 pounds, you guys will get a 55-cent off coupon for this. So what happens is if you guys find those Peely coupons, you guys want to buy 2 of these. So 78 cents, 2 of those 55 cents off of 2. You guys would pay $1.01 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate and a 50-cent rebate, making it just 1 cent. 1 cent for both of these. That is a great deal. So my cat is going to be a pretty happy camper. This I just got because I wanted to get the coupon. I'm not a big fan of peeling off coupons. Sometimes I do, but not all the time, and it's usually for that store that I use them for. So I ended up getting the Meow mix. This was $3.98. You guys would pay $3.98, but then you guys can submit that $1.25 off rebate on Ibotta, making it $2.73. So it's not the greatest deal, but it is a deal. I just really wanted to go and get those coupons. Now this is a rotisserie chicken flavor. Every time I get rotisserie chicken, my cat goes crazy. She's like all up in my grill trying to get some rotisserie chicken. I'm like, Paris, back off. So yeah, so I got some cat food for the princess. And then the last and final item, oh, and then I got a 50-cent bonus for that. So I actually got, you know, that cat food for like $2 if you guys kind of think about it. And then the last deal I got is the Purex crystals. I had some of those coupons, and I definitely like to use some of those coupons before they expire. So this was $2.97. You guys use that $1 off coupon. You guys would get this for, you guys would pay $1.97, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. Now if you guys haven't already, there was a deal on Saving Star. If you guys haven't submitted it, there's a great deal at CVS, but if you guys haven't, you guys can do this through Saving Star and end up being free. So wanted to share with you guys with that. So yeah, that was my Walmart haul. I think I did pretty good. I ended up, you know, not having any problems except the big coupons, but I was really excited to start getting stuff to get ready to donate for this fall. You guys, I really want to help a lot of people, as many people as I can. So there's a lot of different ways to help out. But my total came to $30.64. I ended up getting $18.23 back with Ibotta. I know it's weird, $18.23. I ended up getting a 50-cent bonus for the Meow mix, and then I also got a 50-cent bonus for the Creamette, so that's an extra $1. I needed like 15 rebates for the back to school deal, so I ended up getting that, so that was a $5 bonus that I got for that. And then I also finished level 3. I think I needed 20 rebates, so I was like just 2 away the other day when I was at Walmart last week, so I ended up just needing like 2 or 3 more. So I ended up finishing level 3, so that I got a $1.50 bonus for that. And then with checkout 51, I will be getting a $1 back for the Stay Free. So if you guys add everything up from $30.64 all the way down to $3.91, I think that is an awesome deal. I got 22 items at just 17 cents a piece. That is a great deal. Another thing I want to mention is check your guys' clearance. They had a lot of stuff on clearance when I was there. I went crazy over toys, and I will be doing a second video of my haul that I got for clearance stuff. Ben's having a birthday party soon, so I'm always looking for stuff for their little goodie bags to give to the kids. So definitely stay tuned for that video. I'm probably going to post it on Tuesday, just because I got so many videos already posting today. But I just want to say thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to join Ibotta if you haven't, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.